Hey y'all, just a short clip of me pulling some frozen chicken out the freezer and I'm sticking it in the air fryer. So here, looks like those are legs over there and these are wings right here. So I'm going to put some Red Hot Buffalo Ranch seasoning blend. Sprinkle it freely. And I found out from before that I'm going to have to flip this so both sides can get crispy. But it's going to take the same amount of cooking time as fresh wings. So I'll be back when it's done. And I'm using my COSORI 5.8 quart air fryer. Okay, here's the finished product. Look at that. I'm getting hooked on cooking chicken from frozen. This was really hard. I had to add a few more minutes for the legs to get done. So it's 3 big old legs and some wing pieces. Thumbnail. And these are naked. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all be blessed. Bye.